doll magic for healing or for havoc. I'm Papa G, and that is what I am teaching this year at the 7th annual Folk Magic Festival in Nashville, Tennessee at aromaG's Botanica. It is a day of 7 free classes. There's food, psychic readings, a big sale, and there's 7 of us teaching classes. Mine is on doll magic. A lot of you know I actually make spirit dolls. So I'll be talking about them. What is a spirit doll? They can be used for healing, they can be used for cursing. We'll go through the history of them and the different types of dolls. Dolls that are made from cloth, from twigs, from wax, all sorts of materials you can use, and why you might choose different materials for doll magic, and also how you can use some dolls that you just find off the shelf and turn them into magical dolls. So that is my class for the Tennessee Folk Magic Festival this year at aromaG's Botanica, Sunday, September 8th. Make sure you have asked for that day off, and the classes begin at 10:30 in the morning. We'll be open at 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. So yeah, that Sunday's going to be a longer day for us. So make sure to come out ready for all the free classes, and we'll see you there.